It's test day. Calculate d, x, dt. On my way to an A on my report card. Can you tell me how to get to BC Boulevard? Calculate CE to the T times K. Integrate velocity for displaced yards. Can you tell me how to get to BC Boulevard?
Hey Oscar, what's going on?
Hey, Mo, I'm trying to hold a house party, but I don't know how much space I have in my home. Could you help me?
I can help you with that.
We can model Oscar's trash can with the functions y equals 10x minus 100, y equals 27, and y equals 0. In order to find the volume of the trash can, we can revolve the functions around the y-axis using disk method. In order to do this, we need to put the function in terms of x. By adding 100 to both sides and dividing by 10, we find that x equals y over 10 plus 10. Now we can use disk method, and we find the value of pi times the integral from 0 to 27.5 of y over 10 plus 10 squared dy. The first step is to multiply out the function within the parentheses, which ends up getting y squared over 100 plus 2y plus 100 within the integral from 0 to 27.5 times pi. Next, we integrate to get y cubed over 300 plus y squared plus 100y evaluated from 27.5 to 0 times pi. When the integral is evaluated, you get pi times 69.323 plus 756.25 plus 2,750 minus 0. This ends up being approximately 11,232.994 inches cubed, or approximately 6.5 cubic feet.
Wow, 6.5 cubic feet. That's awesome. Thanks, Mo.
No problem, Oscar.
Greetings, I am the Count, and we're here to answer a very important question. What is the BC Boulevard polynomial of the day? The equation we're approximating is f of x equals e to the x times the quantity 5x plus 2. Let's begin. N equals 0. N equals 1. N equals 2. N equals 3. And of course, the general term. Now, let's find out if this series converges. What's this? The nth term test yields the answer 0. Let's try the ratio test. That's much better. The equation converges for all real values of x.
Nom nom. Nom. Nom nom. Nom. Whoa. Nom nom. Nom. Oh no! Somebody took all my discs.
What's wrong, Disc Monster?
Somebody took all my discs.
Did you see him?
No, all I found was this.
We'll find him, don't you worry.
Thanks, Mo.
In order to find out who stole Disk Monster's disks, we have to evaluate the indefinite integral of x cubed over x squared plus 5 squared dx. First, we separate x squared from the inside, giving us integration by parts with u equal to x squared and du equal to 2x dx. This leaves us with dv equal to x over the quantity x squared plus 5 squared dx. Integration tells us that v is equal to negative 1 over 2 times x squared plus 5. Using ultraviolet voodoo, we get negative x squared over 2 times x squared plus 5, and take out a negative 1 from v to add the integral of x over x squared plus 5 dx. The final integration tells us that our initial culprit of x cubed over x squared plus 5 squared dx is actually equal to negative x squared over 2 times x squared plus 5 plus the 1/2 the ln, the absolute value of x squared plus 5 plus c.
Hey, it was you who stole my discs. Give them back. I know who you really are. Get out of here. Nom nom, nom. Nom nom, nom nom, nom nom. Hey you, stop.
What's the problem, officer?
You're swerving quite a lot there, Yomo. Let me look into your eyes. Sorry, Yomo. You know the rules, but I'm gonna have to give you a DUI.
DUI, not another one.
Here you go.
By using the second fundamental theorem of calculus, we know that the derivative is just the inside of the integral.
Here you go, officer.
Thank you. That checks out, but just to make sure, you have to do it to the third derivative.
To the third derivative.
In order to find the second derivative, we must use a combination of the quotient and chain rules. Simplifying the answer gives us 4 times x plus 3 cubed over the square root of x squared plus 5 minus x plus 3 to the 4th over the square root of x squared plus 5 cubed. To take the third derivative, we must again use the quotient and chain rules, and simplifying the answer gives us 12 times x plus 3 squared over root of x squared plus 5 minus 8 times x plus 3 cubed over the root of x squared plus 5 cubed plus 3 times x plus 3 to the 4th over the square root of x squared plus 5 to the 5th.
Alright, officer, is that all?
That is all. Have a nice day.
Thanks.
Disc Monster, are you alright? Disc Monster, no!
The function d equals 5 t cubed plus 3 t squared plus 7t plus 19 represents the total number of disks Disk Monster has consumed, with d being the number of disks and t being the age in years of Disk Monster. To calculate the acceleration of Disk Monster's cholesterol, we can find the second derivative of the function. The first derivative can be found using the power rule, with the function d prime equals 15 t squared plus 6t plus 7, and the second derivative being d double prime equals 30t plus 6. Given that Disk Monster is 47 years of age, Disk Monster's instantaneous acceleration regarding disks eaten is 1,416 disks per year squared. Given that one disk is approximately 6 milligrams of cholesterol, and that Disk Monster is at 47 years of age, the instantaneous acceleration of Disk Monster's cholesterol
Who can say